Hey kids, welcome to Unit 4, Lesson 2, Object Aliases and Equality. We have an investigate and modify. We're going to run the program to observe the results and experiment with the program by making the following modifications. Changing one line at a time, we're going to run the program after each change to observe the results. We got a bunch of stuff to do, but before we get into that, let's take a look at the code. It looks like we're instantiating 3 objects from the event class. First event, second event, third event. First event has prom and 500 as a parameter. Second event is equal to the first event. And third event also has prom and 500 as its parameters. We have a Boolean result, and it's going to be equal to if first event is equal to second event. And then we're going to print the results right here. Let's see what's under events. We have our 2 instance variables, event name, capacity. Our objects taking 2 parameters, event name, that's prom, capacity, that was 500. We have a get method for the name and a get method for the capacity. What do I think is going to happen when we hit run? I think it's going to be comparing to see if the first event is the same thing as the second event. And you can see in line 5, we're making the second event equal to the first event. I think we're going to get results true to print off. Well, let's see if we're right. It is. So this equal is comparing if 2 objects are the same exact thing. And I think we're going to explore this further with number 1. We're going to change line 8 to Boolean result equal first event equal third event. Run the program, observe the results. Why do you think this happened? Let's copy this part right here and paste it in. Now we're going to be comparing if the first event is the same as the third event. And you're probably thinking, well, they're both prom and 500, so it's going to come back true. But these are actually comparing if they're the same object. First and second are equal because they're set equal to each other. So now they're the same object. Or second event is an alias to first event. Third event, though, even though it has the same things contained within it, is a completely different object. Remember, when we call objects, we get different memory locations. First event is stored in a different location than third event. That means I think we're going to get false to print out. Well, let's see if I'm right, kids. We have false. That is because the equal is to reference objects. For primitives, they're to see if they're the same value. Let's move on to number 2. We're going to change line 8 to the Boolean result equal second event equal third event. Run the program, observe the results. Why do you think this happened? Well, let's copy this and paste this over here. Now we're comparing if second and third event are the same object. They're still not the same object. First and second are the same object. Third is different from first and second. When I hit run, I should still get false. Well, let's see if we're right. And we are. Let's look at number 3. In my console, change line 5, event second event to null. Then change line 8 to Boolean result equal second event not equal null. Run the program, observe the results. Let's go to line 5. Second event is now going to be null. And as long as second event is not null, we should get a true. Let's copy and paste this over. Get rid of one of our semicolons. So as long as second event is not null, we should get true, otherwise false. So when I hit run, because it's null, I should still get false. Let's see how well my reasoning is here. It is false. We can test this by changing this to equal null. Now second event, if it equals null, should be true. Now we should get true printed off down here. And we do. So that line of thought seems to hold up. Key takeaway from this lesson, kids, is understanding this equal equal is comparing objects, not the values within. Over the next couple of exercises, we're going to learn how to compare the values within an object. But for right now, you have to understand if you're using the equal equal for objects, it's just to reference a comparison to see if they're the same object, nothing else. And what is it called when one object is referencing another object, like our first and second event? That is an alias. Make sure you keep that vocabulary term in mind. We're going to be using it here in the next couple of lessons. Hopefully this video helped you understand object aliases and equality. As always, if you have any questions, come see me, kids. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. See you later, kids. Bye, bye, bye.